Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, friends. So, in this video, we will try to understand the task management application. This application is created in Python Django. Let's start. This is our login screen. First, we can log in using the Django authentication system. This is the main page. Using this page we can create new tasks. Before showing this page, I will show you the master data. This we are going on Django dashboard. There are two this is actually the models I want to show you. This is task category, task history, task status. So first I will show you the task categories. This is the categories: database backup, creation of models, changes. We can change also this one. Change front end or new project or any other we can create new. This is by default created by Django. This model I created here. And this is another model: status, task status, done, closed, cancel, in process, started. For example, I want to delete anyone and I want to create new one. It is also possible. For example, I will create here test. So this new status is also came. If you want to delete, we can delete this one. For these two models I didn't create. For these two models, these three models, task categories, task history and task status, I didn't create any front end because this is just for backend usage. What is the usage of task history? This is actually we created when we are creating the task, and some task actually we want to modify. So when we are going to update, so history will be created. So I will show you here. For example, right now we don't have any task. We are going to create new task. This is a task page. We can create tasks using this page. We can update and delete also. New task, for example, I will say create here for business process create business process diagram for inventory app, and this is optional attached file. For example, instead of this, for example, I show you this also another example. Create description. I will write any description. For example, same thing I am writing: create business process diagram for inventory app. This is one task. Here we can define the due date. So I will write the due date after 1 month, 31st June. And what is the status? status is not, we can create new status. For example, I created new status here only. What status? Started in process, cancel, close, done. I create new status. What I say, created or created, for example. Requested or created, anything we can say. Initiated. Now I can say created, for example. Any name we can select. Now I can see here. I have to refresh. Date after 1 month. Oh, for example, I say today date. Today date. Created. Category. Any category. New project, for example. Save. Here it is showing. I want to update this one. We can change here. You can also change. I say 29 6. If you want to delete this task, we can delete this task also. Now I will create another task. I will check here in database. Task, new task is created by user admin. We have also dashboard here. This dashboard is actually, this is, I will increase the size of the dashboard. Dashboard templates, dashboard, container flex. Why it is coming only, I will say here 12, column 12. This is bootstrap. And light, I will remove the light. No need this one. Even it is not coming fully. Okay. This is our task created in our dashboard. This dashboard we can also create the graph, anything, using the plotty, using the matplotlib, chart.js, or any other. We can later, maybe I will create the charts also, but maybe first now I am showing you this. So this is task. I will create another task. Or for example, I want to change the status. I say here, first we can say check the history. Now I will create, change the, I say 1st June, 1st July. July, and I change the status started, and here I will see the history. The started is showing here. like this we are creating. Here we have option for searching also, title wise searching, description wise. This is the parameters or start it. For example, I want to add another task. Create ER diagram for inventory app. Here we can also choose the file. For example, sometime we need the for example leave it. I will show you another error in app finance in Oracle Apex app 291 page 3. And what is the error sent by the user? We can see the image. We are asking the image also. We can see here any image we can see. If we have, for example, this Docker cheat sheet, and here we can write same thing or anything sent by email by user, we can save here. And what is the date? Today date. Created. Category. There is no category for this, so we can create the category also. Anything we can write. Error debugging, for example. So here you see another task we created, and status is also here, and image is showing also here, the image file. This file will be in Word, Excel, TXT, anything, because the file type is file, not image. So we can also open here. You can see. And for if you want to update, it is finished. Now we can see here task history. In history it is showing newly task. Now we want to change the status. Done. Which date? We say 4 July. And here it is showing in history. Done. Actually, yes. Now dashboard. In dashboard actually it is showing here two tasks. Task number 1, create business process diagram. Second one, error in Oracle Apex page application 291 page 3. It is done and it is started. This actually dashboard is based on model task. We can change the model of this one. I think I can try models. Dashboard. can try now. It is any field changes, so it will not task history. So now it is showing all the tasks and all the changes. Now we have only few tasks, so it is not too much. So, but we can, here we want to filter, so we can filter also, or we can also use the jQuery, but right now I didn't use the jQuery. For example, I want only the tasks of Apex, so I put here word Apex, all tasks which contain the Apex word, so it bring only Apex related. I remove here, all tasks will come. Task filter form, this form, no, model for form, sorry. This is also model, not model form, this is simple form. Okay, now here description, any description contain, same thing we can bring. Any, for example, all description which contain invent diagram, so it will bring this one. Or for example, we say completed, we need only done tasks, so it bring the done task. Like this is the actually parameters. For this we created the Django ORM, which is very powerful tool, and I use the queue function of Django. So up to here our technical video, functional video is finished. So maybe next video I will show you the coding of this one. Thank you very much.